A lot of you are realizing by now that depending on if you're stressing, it determines how bad your ears really are. If you're high stress, you're feeling more clogging, you're feeling more of the swooshing sounds, you're hearing those sounds, those ringing sounds, the buzzing sounds, all of that is just going through the roof. And it's all aligned with how you are feeling. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a quick and easy technique. We're gonna take both our hands and we're gonna place it over the ears. Now, inside the ear, there's an auricular portion of the vagus nerve. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start stimulating. So go ahead and put your hands over your ears, you add a little bit of pressure, and we're gonna go in a circular motion. And we wanna do this for about 30 seconds. When you do this, you're stimulating the auricular portion of the vagus nerve, and you're adding relaxation to your body. Now this is going to start helping bring blood to the area of the ear. It's going to start activating the sympathetic nervous system and lowering those cortisol levels and helping you find relaxation. This is going to not only help relax and open up those ears, it's going to relax the muscles, the surrounding tissue. It's going to help going down into the neck. A lot of you are dealing with stiff neck. This isn't going to help your ears. Believe it or not, it took me 3 years to find out that the condition of my neck, the state of my neck, where it's at, is highly influencing where my ears are, how they feel, how stiff they are. And it became a carousel effect where the more I stress, the more symptoms I got, the more I panic because of the symptoms that I'm receiving, and then doing it all over again. Having to undo all those thoughts and undo all those habits and feelings that I'm going through each and every day was a task in itself. And I think a lot of you can agree you're feeling this as well. So by just spending a little bit of time massaging over the ears, you don't have to press too hard, just add a little bit of pressure going in that circular motion. You're going to start noticing a little bit of clarity. After 30 seconds, you'll start feeling lighter. You'll realize the tranquility of your body starts to go up. You'll start feeling the pressure start to come down. And hopefully this will start bringing a better outlook for you to find and feel more healing. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If it was, please take time to subscribe to the channel. I try to bring content as often as possible. But in the meantime, I'm going to step out of the Jaye Wellness Studio and leave you in good hands with this video. Like anything else, folks, we're here to simply go back to the basics. Take care, everybody, and I'll catch you in the next video.